Female beauty has always been and will be one of the finest phenomena on our planet. Graceful and charming girls have captivated the minds of men throughout the ages. The title of beauty queen is one of the most coveted for women all around the world. But what did the winners of American pageants for the title of the most beautiful look like? Let's take a look at the lucky ones who received this title in the 1920s. Beau beauty pageants began to gain popularity starting in the 1880s. It is known that in the year 1888, the title of queen was won by an 18-year-old Creole at a beauty contest in Belgium. Such contests became more respectable after the first competition for the title of the country's top beauty, Miss America, in 1921. It was the first show in a modern format, which launched the annual competitions in beauty and grace among the most beautiful representatives of the country. Take a look at these photos of retro beauties, compare them with modern beauty queens, and don't forget to tell us in the comments which photo you like, and be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm Black Panda, and let's get started. Miss Chicago, Georgia Theodora Hale, won the 1922 pageant. Miss Chicago, Margaret Lee, placed fourth in the major American beauty pageant held in Atlantic City in September 1924. From left to right, Miss Milwaukee, Claire Kohler, Miss Chicago, Margaret Lee, Miss Los Angeles, Lillian Knight, and Miss Sioux City, Alta Sterling, September 1924. Miss Chicago 1925, Margarita Gonzalez. She was a contender for the title in the 1925 national pageant, but was eliminated in the first round. A procession of cars strewn with roses at the Chrysler Parade on September 1, 1926. The motorcade was organized in honor of the beauty queens. Mabel Sola at the Miss Chicago pageant, August 31, 1926. Margaret Knight with two other contestants in the 1926 Miss Chicago pageant. Lucille Burgess, left, a contestant in the Miss Chicago pageant with Betty Blythe, March 20, 1926. On August 2, 1926, 18-year-old Mae Green was crowned Miss Chicago. She was chosen as the winner from among 4,000 contestants. 18-year-old Mae Green was crowned Miss Chicago, 1926. Estelle Kosloff, 20, won the Miss Chicago 1927 pageant, but was disqualified when it came to light that she had recently gotten married. On October 11, 1927, 16-year-old Louise DeLanda was crowned Miss America. Louise DeLanda, a graduate of the Juilliard School who became a beauty queen, with her parents in 1927. Myrtle Christine Wolstead, 17, on July 11, 1927. She was crowned beauty queen after it was discovered that Estelle Kosloff was married. Miss Chicago 1927, Myrtle Christine Wolstead. Miss Wallace Ford demonstrates the evening gown she will wear at the Miss America pageant during the prom at the Stevens Hotel, November 20th, 1927. From left to right, Virginia Stoncifer, Betty Ann Savers, Doris Rutkin, Margaret Dorney, Noven LaRue, and Myrtle Christine Wolstead at the Miss Chicago 1927 pageant. Ella Van Heusen, date is June 2nd, 1928. Ella Van Heusen, date of the photo, July 3rd, 1928. and one more photo of Ella Van Heusen, done at June 16, 1928. Miss Universe, Ella Van Heusen, photo done 6 of June 1928. "22-year-old Miss Universe Ella Van Heusen returned home to Chicago after a parade in her honor. The international pageant was held in Galveston, Texas. Louise Eleanor DeLander, Miss America 1927, Miss Illinois. Born on Valentine's Day, she won the pageant on the 20th anniversary of her parents' wedding. A recipient of a school medal for Bible knowledge, she studied piano and classical ballet and was fluent in Latin. These beauties paraded at beauty pageants almost 100 years ago. However, these cuties would put some of today's beauty queens to shame. Their naturalness and ease is much more pleasant than the pomposity and gloss of modern misses. And what do you think? Who's more beautiful? Retro queens or the winners of beauty pageants of our time? Be sure to write your opinion in the comments and also like the video, subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourselves, hugs to everyone, and see you in the next video.